In today's session, we're going to be looking at building the drones. So I'm going to be making 6 drones, and I'll be doing 2 of each. So 2 gun drones, 2 shield drones, and 2 marker drones. So to begin with, 6 of the tops, 6 of the 3 pieces of 81, 3 of 82. Alright, so the bases for this are piece 80. You can see that it's piece 80 for each of these. And again, piece 80 on this. Okay, so that's 4 of piece 80, and then looking for 81 and 82. Tenor 88 to 89. Alright, here we have 3 of 82. That put a lot of pressure on the middle point. Right, so I can see minus stress points on the inside there. So this time we'll cut at the long point so those 2 internals have a bit more support. No, that applied the pressure again. Maybe going from the closest will weaken the hold. That's better. Alright, so that's 82. We just need 81s. That's 89s. Alright, here we've got more 89s, 88 and 7. I'm not saying it, maybe it's in a different sprue. Alright, that's the turret. Okay, 81s. This time I'm just going to go part way through with the initial cut to weaken this point so that it's weaker than this midsection. So we have pieces 81, 82, 3 of each, and piece 80. We've got 4 of that. Now we need 3 of 84, 83, 85. 83, 84. Alright, so doing that times 3 means we're making 3 of the gun drones. This is a much more solid piece, so we don't really have to worry about dealing with weak points. Especially on these flat surface pieces, it's good to draw the blade down so that it's pressing against the piece, and then you can cut through without fear of damaging the piece itself, because you know the blade will be on the right angle, and so even if it takes pressure, you won't mangle what you're trying to get out of the sprue. Okay, so for these you can see that on one side, so on the left side for one and on the right side for the other, it has the outside of the magazine. Flip it over, so then you can tell the inside has the connection point so that that will slot in to the central piece. Alright, so that was one set of 83, 84. Then we need piece 85. Yeah, 85. So the other two should be in, the other 2 sets should be in similar positions on the other sprue. Again, the guns. '89s, no, don't want 89s, I want the 85. So the next piece we're after, 86, 87, 88. So this is making 6 of these drones, going with 3 of the gun drones, 2 of the marker drones, and 1 shield drone. So at the moment we've got the pieces for 4 tops. Don't know why it says to go with 3 of each of those, if it's meant to be 6 total. But here it has 3 for the gun drone, we've got those pieces. 1 piece of 86 and 2 of 87, 88. 86. 87, 88. Seven. Ooh, that puts pressure there. So that's all of the pieces. Alright, now the fun of trimming them all up. Now to make sure that these points are all smoothed off. So for these pieces, there's a line down the middle of the width, and that is caused by the mold. To get rid of the line, it's a bit hard to see. That's not focusing, but you just scrape it. And that will level it out so that the line is gone. Okay, so that's all of the pieces. Now for assembly. Alright, for doing this many pieces, for doing this many drones, need to get the extra tops. Oh, they are 80s, okay. Alright, back to cleaning up. Okay. So, assembling with blue tack. Welcome back after a little break. So this is the drones after they've finished being built. These two on the side here are the marker drones. Here we have the shield drone. And on this side are the 3 gun drones. So that's the 6 drones that go with the crisis battle suits. These just got blue tack together and they hold reasonably well. The transparent bases haven't been blue tacked together though, and they fall apart pretty easily. They easily come off and they've got a wobble. So they need to be blue tacked or glued together. Since there's no painting of the transparent bases, may as well just glue them straight together. So next session I'll be doing the gluing and getting everything pieced together. Work out how to paint it and which pieces should be pre-assembled and which pieces should be kept separate. So I'll be going through that for the battle suits and the drones. In a later episode, I'll be going through the fire warriors and removing the legs and beginning the resculpt of the feet, boots, hands, and heads. Okay, that's all for today. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.